What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you remember our coverage from CES, we got to go hands-on in IKEA's suite and check out some of their new smart offerings, including the KALLSUP, which is their somewhat unbelievable $10 Bluetooth speaker that you can pair up to 100 together. Yes, that is not a mistake. You can pair 100 of these babies to continue out and build out a new ecosystem. And if you are looking for a budget speaker that comes in an assortment of colors, not trying to break the bank, but not expecting the most perfect sound, obviously, these are fun little options. I've been using this for probably about 4 months now, and have to say, for what it is, I am definitely impressed. So again, this is IKEA's new smart speaker system. It does work very well, pairs easily, and again, I've had no issues. It's simply Bluetooth. If you open up the box, you do have a little bit of reading material as well, giving you a breakdown of, well, the speaker. As you would anticipate though, there's not much in here that you need to worry about at all. It all comes down to this baby, and it's very minimal. You have a play, pause button, Bluetooth pairing button, which also doubles as an on-off button. You have your USB Type-C charger, which is not included at the box, unsurprisingly enough. But then, once you go ahead and play it, it plays that welcome sound, and it will work to pair with your device. And I'm not sure if you heard that or not, but we did just get paired, and I have to say, that was pretty quick. So, if we go ahead, and what I'm going to do is just go into one of our videos here to give you a little bit of sound. Let's go ahead and go to videos. What is going on, everybody? Happy Easter to everyone who celebrates iOS 26.5 Beta 1. So as you can see, that is not nearly even at 50% volume, and it is still very clear. The bass is definitely not going to be deep, but it does sound more than serviceable for a $10 speaker. And again, re-release has been out. You can just play, pause as you need. You can double tap to skip tracks.
Final maintenance right now. No, it's not. All right.
And it works very quickly and easily. It is pretty impressive, again, for what they offered here for only $10. And again, you can feel it when you pick it up. This isn't a heavy magnet, so it's not going to sound the best. But for $10, I think a lot of eyes can turn into this direction, and it will be a great addition to certain scenarios, college rooms, dorm rooms, anything like that. Obviously, these things aren't going to compete with HomePods, Sonos speakers, or anything like that, but you're paying 10 times the price to get one of those. You can literally get 10 of these for the price of a HomePod or things like that. So it's very neat. Something different I did just want to show you. Again, this is a fun looking green color, but they do work good. If you wanted to put 3 around a room, maybe 4, or put them in a multi-room setup, you can do so right with these IKEA speakers. And yeah, this video is not sponsored, not paid for. I truly just like the speaker, and I think for $10, the value cannot truly be matched. So turn it back off, and that's it. You are good to go. So leave a comment down below. I'll throw a link up on IKEA's website if you're interested in picking these up. Tell me what you guys think about this speaker offering, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.